Why do ads work for one person and it doesn't work for another? Let's think about it like a networking event. Let's say that me and my friend Sara, we're both going to a networking event. The main thing that's going to be different for both of us is our first impression. Everyone has different impression in terms of how they show up and who's going to be attracted to that. And the second thing that we want to think about is shaking hands. Are we shaking hands with the right people? Are we talking to the right people? And the third one is how many people we have to talk to in order to make, like, let's say if our goal was to make 10 friends, for example. Now let's go look at the ads. When it comes to ads, think about your impression in terms of the first impression that you're giving every time your ad is displayed. So if you already have a presence online, it's going to be very different than somebody who is starting out. Even if you guys are from the same industry, you're going to have a very different impression. What does your ad look like? And then the second thing is, are you shaking hands with the right people? What is your targeting looking like? And lastly, the conversion rate. My ad might be converting at 10%, while my friend Sara, when she's advertising for the same thing, her conversion rate might be 50%, for example. So what that means is we both know that for me, it will take more people, more handshaking in order to get me a customer than it will take Sara. So let's go back to the networking. Let's say that both of our goal was to make 10 friends in the industry. She talks to 20 people, and out of the 20 people, she's able to get 10 people because she's that good. And let's say that for me, I've talked to 10 people and I made one friend. So what that means is, in order for me to reach her level of success, so 10 people, I'll have to shake hands with 100 people because my conversion rate is 10. So I have to basically talk to 100 people in order to get 10 leads or 10 friends. So both of us, in the same way that we show up at a networking event, the same way that we shake hands with the right people or the wrong ones, and what is our ratio? These are things that are going to lead to being successful online with your ads. So even if you have a terrible conversion rate at the moment, don't get defeated. Keep working it out so that you can continuously increase your conversion rate. However, keep running ads and thinking about, okay, what will it take to get to that level? And once you know, even if you get one conversion, you know how much you need to spend and what you need to do in order to get that one. So you can keep tweaking it so that it works for you.